Hi everyone. From last classes, we discussed about fundamentals of physics. We are now entering into the main concepts related to IIT JEE Mains foundation courses. Today we are discussing about kinematics, one-dimensional motion. One-dimensional means it is going in a straight way, either x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Anyway, means either to and fro, up and down, or inside or outward. These are nothing but x, y, z axis. Okay. Going in a to and fro and up and down, and in and out. In and out we can't drag here. That's why I am writing like this. Okay. So this is the one-dimensional motion. Simple one-dimensional means straight path. One-dimensional means straight path. Okay. Now kinematics. What is meant by kinematics? Kinematics definition means kinematics. Kinematics mean study of moving objects, objects without discussing about cause of motion. Okay. Dynamics means okay. Dynamics means Dynamics means study of motion. Okay, kinetic motion, dynamic motion. Okay, study of motion of objects, with cause of motion. Okay. So this is the kinematics, is the dynamics. Okay, dynamics means study of motion. Okay, study of motion of objects with cause of motion. Kinematics means study of moving objects without discussing about cause of motion. Note this. So our concept is kinematics means we are not discussing about cause of motion in this. Okay. So to study about moving objects, we should know these general equations. Okay. These are kinematics general equations. Okay. One C, V is equals to U plus AT, S is equals to UT plus of AT square, V square minus U square is equals to 2AS, and average velocity is equals to U plus A by 2. This formula only we consider when acceleration is constant. Okay. When acceleration is constant. In all the cases, acceleration is constant. Okay. See it here. And here, as first we have to derive these all three formulas. Okay. Three formulas. See. Now, first one, velocity is equals to final velocity is equals to U plus AT. Okay. Final velocity is equals to initial velocity plus acceleration into time. So now first one, V is nothing but final velocity, U is initial velocity, A is acceleration, S is displacement, okay, here displacement, okay, T is time. Okay, now we have to check the units of these all. Meter per second in MKS, meter per second in MKS, meter per second square in MKS, meter in MKS, second in MKS. Now in CGS, centimeter per second or centimeter per second centimeter per second square or centimeter or second. In both cases same. CGS cases, MPS cases, time units are same, second only, as in second. So now we have to prove these all formulas, right? Now once note this, okay? Which parameter indicate with what, okay? Now see, first one v is equals to u plus at, we have to prove it, okay? First one we know, okay, acceleration is equals to change in velocity with respect to time, okay? Acceleration definition we already seen in fundamentals. Acceleration is nothing but change in velocity with respect to time. So change means there is a initial and final velocities. So at here always for change final minus initial velocity, final velocity minus initial by time. So at here when we simplify it is at is equals to v minus u. So from this we can write v is equals to u plus at after transfers. Okay, note it. This is first equation of kinematics. This is the first one. Okay, first one. Kinematic first one. Note this. Now second one s is equals to ut plus of at square. See, from this first we have to take displacement formula. Displacement s is equals to average velocity into time. Displacement s is equals to average velocity formula u plus v by 2 into t. Average velocity, the acceleration constant, in that case we can take as general formula sum of observations by number of observations. From maths you have mean formula and average formula, same this is only. S is equals to here u, v is nothing but u plus at, replace v plus with u plus at by 2 o into t. Now s is equals to 2u plus at into t by 2. Now s is equals to 2u by 2. After multiplying t with 2u plus now we multiply this at square by 2 will be cancelled. S is equals to ut plus of at square. Simplification is most important in any mathematical or physical maths related. Note this. This is the second equation of kinematics. Okay, note this. Now, third one. Okay, third one, b square minus u square is equals to 2as. For that we have to take same formula. Displacement is equals to average velocity into time, same formula only. At here we are taking s. Average velocity same formula at here v plus u by t. At t replace with this from this equation. Can I write, since from this equation t is equals to, can I write v minus u by a? Can I write like this? Okay, once check it. V is equals to u plus at. When transfers this v minus u is equals to at. After getting a in this side, v minus u by a is equals to t. So that's I am writing at here. T is equals to v minus u by a. I want to replace at here in the t place. Okay. So now I am replacing this equation at here. In the t place, t is equals to v minus u by a. Now s is equals to v plus u into v minus u by 2a. See, it is look like a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. From maths, a plus b into a minus b means a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So can I write this as v square minus u square by 2a. After getting this side, this 2as is equals to v square minus u square. This is our third general equation. third general equation. Note this. This is the substitution related terms in the tables. This is the mathematical formula for a square minus b square. I think you know this general formula from maths. Average velocity is equals to sum of velocities by number of velocities. Okay, mean formula or average formula from maths. Nothing to prove here. This general maths formula. Okay. For numerical applications, how to apply these all formulas to study about kinematics, one-dimensional motion, sir. How to apply these all formulas, kinematics, one-dimensional motion, sir. Once closely observe first formula. In this formula, we have only four parameters: V, U, A, T. Okay. In this formula, we have V, U, A, T. Only four parameters. Which of these not given? In case one of these are not given, we have to use this formula. Okay. See, for example, he gave velocity, initial velocity, acceleration, and he didn't give any time related term. Okay, he didn't mention time in the question. In that case, we should use this formula. Means, when should we use this formula? Means simple. Out of 4, if we give 3, okay, then we can find the remaining. Okay, he can give any 3, but one thing is not given by the examiner. So in that case, we can use this formula. Okay, and in this formula there is no displacement. No displacement is given. So S is not there. So when S is not given in the question, we may have to use this formula. Okay, understand? Only 3 of these 4 we give in the question, and the remaining one is off. So we have to find that one only. Okay. And some cases he will give one of the velocity. He will give either final velocity or initial velocity. Okay. Any one he will give. Another one is in rest position. Okay. Rest or stationary. Okay. Stationary or free falling. Okay, in these cases, one of will be 0, another one will be existed. Okay. And second formula, in this case, final velocity is not there. So when final velocity is not there, when final velocity is not given, in that case we have to use this formula. In this formula, what we have? U, we have T, acceleration. Out of these 4, similarly, he will give any 3, you may find the remaining. Some cases when it is starting from rest, when some cases he will give, when some cases it starts from rest. In this case, S is equals to of A square is the formula. Why? Because starts from rest means U is 0. Starts from rest means U is 0. U 0 means and here 0 into T, this term will be 0. So only S is equals to of A square will be the remaining one. Okay. And here also 4 parameters we have: V, U, 2, V, U, A, S. Okay. In this time is absent. Time is not there. When time is not given and any one of these 3 given, to find the remaining one, we may have to use this formula. So some numerical questions we may do on this tomorrow. Okay, thank you.